it's one of the problems we've had with you know, a lot of the Trump's policies is that, you know, we actually need to get something over the line, something passed before, you know, you can actually be confident of trading it. So yes, we are going to have some volatility on the back of these headlines, but you know, really, you know, for me to actually look at it more seriously, you know, I want to see something a bit more firmer than just passing headlines.
Fair enough. And similarly, a lot of people want to see something a bit more firmer and more detailed in terms of Trump's tax plan. Right now, so far, just one page long. But I mean, if it does supply side economics, what some critics are calling voodoo economics, back to Reaganomics, should be dollar positive, no. And the flip side, if it flops, well, it's going to put the Fed on the back foot.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good way to sum it up. I think, look, when Trump first came, you know, into power and, you know, he released his policies, I mean, this was new information for the market. And, you know, look, the market did trade it aggressively and almost euphorically. But the thing is that now that, you know, this is no longer new information for the market, you know, that first phase is over. So, and just going back to what I was just saying before, is to get phase two of, you know, the Trump trade, the reflation trade going, and for it to be dollar supportive, you know, the market certainly needs to see the policies now pass. So there is a lot of confidence now that I guess, you know, going away from those trades, we saw a massive unwind of that trade, and even last night when he released it, US yields did absolutely nothing. So, you know, the market's now certainly is in a wait and see mode. And yes, as you mentioned, if unfortunately, if he does fail to actually, you know, get some of these policies passed next time they're up for voting, then yeah, the risk is a big dollar sell-off, no doubt.